Hi everyone, welcome back to Can of Coffee. Here we have a Breville espresso machine, and this was brought in because it was leaking and making a strange sound when trying to pull a shot. What we found is that the solenoid valve had gone bad, and so that was causing excess pressure on other parts, which was the source of the leak. And that grinding sound you hear is a transformer trying to turn a valve open and close, but the valve is stuck, and so it makes a kind of like clicking, kind of grinding sound. And we replaced it, and so the sound is gone and the leak is gone as well. All right, let's test it. Pretty good. The grind is a little fine. It's kind of a slow pour. That's alright. Alright, there's the shot. Test some other features too, like steam. Slowly picking up pace. Alright. Pretty good steam. Alright. Try some hot water now. Pump to stop. There we go. Alright, there it is. Breville espresso machine functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Can of Coffee. Please like our videos.